I'm going to show you how to use my EndNote Citation Manager to cite. So you go to Google and then you type in my EndNote web. Then it'll take you to the first one. You create an account. I've already created my account, so you could just register. It's free. And then once you've created an account, you can log in. And so the way, this is a citation manager. I already have some of the citations, but I'll do an example for you. So if you wanted to add a citation, I'll just use an example. I think the easiest thing to do is get the PubMed ID number. So here I'm going to pull the PubMed ID number from PubMed. Then you go to Collect, Online Search. Then I already have these favorites, but if you don't, you could just say Select Favorites. You can search for your favorites. You can. I moved the National Library of Science to my favorite. That's the PubMed. So once you do that, you can. I'm going to highlight PubMed, Connect. Then I copy and paste the PubMed ID, highlight the PubMed ID, search. It'll find your search. So you click on this thing and you can add it, create a group. I've already created a group. If you don't have one, you can create a new group. Here, I'll add this to kidney, or prostate, excuse me. So now it's going to get stored into your group. And these things you can share with people. So here I have prostate. You can somehow share this. You can click on this, start sharing this group here. You can manage, and then you can add other people on it. So now it's stored in my references, and now I want to cite it. So to cite it, you can open your Word document, and I'll just create a new one. So you start writing, MRI is awesome. And then you say this is, and then you can cite. So to cite, you go back to your my EndNote, then you go to Format, click on Cite While You Write plugin. Then you can download the plugin for either your Mac or your Windows. Download it. So I have a Mac, so I'll download this. I've already downloaded it, but you run it, and basically when you do that, you can then start to cite. So when you do that, it adds this little tab here called EndNote. So you can click on this EndNote after you've downloaded the plugin and run it, and then you can log into your thingy account. So now I've already logged in, but I'm going to copy and paste the PubMed and find. So now that citation is populating on my account. So you go Insert. So MRI is awesome. And then it's going to just automatically insert the reference here at the end of your paper. Now, if you want, okay, well, I don't want JAMA style, I want a different style, you can, there's a bunch of different styles. You can choose from. Here I have JAMA, but the EndNote has like a ton of different format, EndNote citation format, and you can just download the formats, and then it'll just automatically populate the different types of format that you want. If you want to edit this, so let's say MRI is awesome, and then let's just put another citation. You can search it by name. You can search it. So here I'll just add this, and I'll just add this as an example. So now I have 3 citations, and then we'll say testing, my name is 10, blah, blah, blah. And you add more citations, right? We'll just say prostate. So it'll find all the things with prostate in it. Well, there's a lot. So we'll just put examples here. Okay. So now let's say I wanted to edit this. Like I want to remove the second citation from this. So you go to Edit, Manage Citation. You find the second one, which is this, and then you say delete this. Remove this citation, and then OK. So it'll remove it, and then it'll automatically renumber and then update your citation. So it'll save you a lot of time. and will make it more effective. So that's how you use EndNote.